Is there a strategy that can make you pure daily wins at all costs? Yes. And the answer is be patient. Welcome back to tradeprofx.co.ke. As you can see me, I want to show you digits to check is 6. Then the martingale we can use is 2.86. And then there is another thing I want to talk about is the number of ticks is only 1. So can you see the digits we are checking is approximately 6. So let's just refresh and start over again so that we make sure that the market is alive. You can see right now it's live, all the markets are active. Then from here we put the number of trades, we put as many as we can, then we put 6. So we are going to be checking 6 digits. Deriv produces 6 digits above digit 6, so that is 6789. So that is 6789. It produces those digits for 6 times, then we enter a trade. The more you go higher, the more you increase the winning rate. Are we together? So those people asking, is there a strategy that can always be on profits regardless? So number one, I would like to tell you that it is your patience. Your patience is what is needed. Remember, most of the derivative traders like quick money. So that person doesn't want to wait for so long. But if you still wait for so long and have that patience, there is a possibility of you always withdrawing in case you are so patient. So let's try this. We see if I can be so patient, waiting for the boat to scan for 6, approximately 6 and above. Remember, it is doing across all the markets. So even if I will have to stay longer, it is reduced because of the scanning on all the markets. Are we together? So you can see we are having trading, we are having wins. The reason is we have only done 6. Remember, the more you go higher, you go 6, 7, 8, 9, the scanning waiting game is always the problem here, because most of us don't want to be patient in terms of trading. Most of us want just to come in, get profits regardless of no waiting. So that is the only problem. But remember, patience pays. So right now you can see it has not picked any trade. It's because it is scanning 6 digits, and that is saying 6, 7, 8, 9 have been produced across that market symbol, or has been produced. The last digit has been produced is above, which is very highly possible. Remember, I've done analysis. You can see like that one has gone for 5. I've shown you before that it's very possible for Deriv to do that. And if you know that it is possible for Deriv to produce those digits, why don't you then be patient? Why don't you just allow yourself, be patient and wait? You can see like that one has gone an extreme of around 9 streaks. But now if you are there, you're going to win because of that patience, and your capital can sustain any maximum loss of so much. And remember, that happens once in a while. And because we are tracking all the digits, all the markets across the volatilities, therefore hitting a trade very at least faster is possible, unless we were doing on only one market, just scanning one market. But for now we are doing across all the markets. You can see there where we expect maybe a profit or a loss there because of that massive streak, which for us we are doing 6. And remember, someone can say it's not possible for Deriv to produce above digit 6 for around 6. It is very possible, and that's why you can see we are winning just slowly by slowly, and that is what people do not like. I'm very sure there is someone who has a 50 USD account or a 30-40 USD account, and that person, if that person has like a 20 and makes only 3 USD, I'm very sure that person can sustain or make something each and every day. It depends with your currency in your home country. There is someone who will make a 3 USD. Remember that is Kenyan shillings. It's some good amounts if you are just trading and just staying alone at home. So it's very possible if you know fully that you are someone who has a small account. Then why do you keep on having that randomness of making money very quick? You should be patient. Just put the digits to check as maximum as you think you can. Then have that patient of waiting. Have that patient of waiting. Better scoop that 4 USD, 3 USD, 2 USD. Stop your boat. Enjoy for that time. Then as you progress growing your account, then the more you can go waiting for more longer trades. Like right now you can see we are at 2.29. We are still hoping for this account to reach this the capital there above is what I'm looking for, it to reach at 45. Therefore these apex bots that I've made here, they will help someone with a small account as long as you are patient. So if you see like the over 3, if you put 3 consecutive, that is very possible for across the market to be reached. So what do? You have no capital, increase that to around 6. Like now we are doing 6. So you can see it's very possible for you to make money as long as you are someone who is patient to waiting for something to work on your side. Are we together? So if you are out there, I would like to encourage you, and you have a small capital, try to be patient as much as possible. Do not go over trading in terms of you see, because you have seen someone having over 1,000 USD and you compare yourself that you'll make the same speed, the same number of trades, or the number of speed the trades are being made. Remember, it's better you make so many runs but at a very patient entry. So you can see if you check even 7, 8 or 9, still there will be a chance for you to win. And the more you have that chance, the more you are up, or the digits you are checking are up, the more win rate you are going to have. If this is 6, then remember, if now the win rate of 14 and 7, you can see the differences. So we have won 14, losses are 7. That is using 6-digit check. Then what about when you increase a bit higher? That is the question you should be asking yourself. In short, you can see we are almost hitting at 45 USD, and this is so awesome. So number one, if you have a small capital, this is only for the people with small capital. I've decided to use this account to just show you a small progress on how you can grow your simple account, because I don't want anyone left behind this month. So that is why we have developed the Apex, which can help maneuver. So if you are out there, try see how you can get patient, and see how you can make something out of these boats, and comment below what is happening. You can see a streak that is helping you make something. Come back, comment below the streak that is helping you, so that you can also help your colleagues. With those few remarks, let's meet in the next video. This is the CEO tradeprofx.co.ke. In case you have any questions, always DM, so that I can clarify something that you have in mind, all the questions you have. You can see already we are waiting for only one trade and we stop the boat there. So I'm only waiting for the capital to hit 45 and I'm done. You can see the patience needed for you waiting. It's very small, a very small amount that I'm waiting, and like that, let's see, we stop that way. So already we are already at 16 wins, and around 8 we lost. You can see, perfect.